Hi, welcome to MasterCadx YouTube channel. Welcome to MasterCadx. In the last video, we discussed is the introduction part of the bench wise. Today, we are going to discuss the first part that is in the bench wise, that is a bench. That is called base. Okay. So you can see in the 3D diagram, the base part is you can start from here and end here. That is a given area. That is a front view, top view, and the side view. Okay, so we'll start from it is from the front view. First I will draw this outer diagram using this one. Next I will go to the extrude. The extrude amount is 64. So we'll start over here. First I will save that is name as a bench, and I will change it as a first is a dimension. So I'll change the dimension according to the dimension. Here the dimension is not mentioned, so I will assume that it is a all are in mm. Okay, so according your dimension you can change. Next I will go to the create a sketch and take any one plane out here. So I start from the point from here. The point is from here to here, it is 144. Now in this diagram I draw only this shape over here, not this part. Okay, that part I will draw later in a side view. You can see that the side view will look like this. That I will draw it later. So only this part I will construct. So now the next distance is from here to here is 144. Next height is 16. Next from this distance to over here we have to calculate, that is 144 minus 26. Next this height will be 36. Next I will close that with the surface. Okay, so that is 26 and close. And there is a, you can see that is a chamfer. The distance was 16 by 16. So using this command, the chamfer command, so it is both distance are equal, D and D. So I take this 16 and they ask me this. Okay. So now the part is over. So now I have to go to the extrude. The extrude amount is 64. Finish the sketch. Extrude, and I'll take the both sides because I want the plane in middle, and the distance is it was 60. Okay. Next, finished. Next I will start from this plane. You can see over here, so that is given over here, it's this one. So from the side view I will start it from over here. So from here, so take the sketch on this plane, and so I start to draw over here from the bottom. Okay, from the bottom, so it was 16 height, and from the center point it was a 36. Okay, first I will draw the from the center point it is 36. Next I will draw the arc. So from the center point it is 36 from the base. Next I will draw the a circle, that is arc 16 means 16 into 2 and so I'll draw the one the tangent line, okay, and angle is given 50, total is 50 over here. So I will draw it like this. So another one and the same thing over here. So using the tangent command, so take a line and this is a one and similarly second, okay. So they given this distance is 50, so I'll take that angle was it is 50, but this is the unequal distance, okay. So now I'll take another one that is half of that one, and that will act as this 25. Okay, so now what happened, automatically this become also 25, it is become equal. So I using the trim command, I delete that unwanted line which is not required. Next I will close this one, okay, using the line command. Next I'll go the trim and remove it. And there is a open circle, you can see this, that circle is given, it is a 16, has a diameter. So almost is the diagram is over. So only the remaining it is a fillet, you can see over, and that fillet is given this R3. So go to the fillet command and write the first it is distance, it was 3 mm, and it can also 3 mm. Now remove the unwanted line which is not required. So this is unwanted line which is not required, only this part how to make it the extrude. So I will go to the extrude and in opposite direction, and the distance was, this distance is 22. Okay, so now this part is over. Now similarly there is a, you can see there a slot, you can see over here. So that I will start from the plane from the direction only. So now draw two rectangular, the size is mentioned 32 by side is 7 and another one is 16 by the remaining distance. So now I start from this rectangular by 2 points. So only they give that height, what is our height over here. So now the distance is total was, it is 32 and 7. So from here to here is 32, okay, and from this point to or here that is half, that is 16, and height was 7. Similarly from this height is given, it is 15, and the distance between these two is 16 only. And we have to kept in between, so I kept it in between over here, that is 8 mm. So almost it is the diagram is over. Now I go to that trim command which is unwanted, is not required. So finish the sketch, extrude, opposite direction, and you have to see that the cut will be start from here and it end over here, that is given in the dotted line, means it is through all. So using the all command, okay, and press. So now you can see this one, the diagram is over. but there is a one. Now you can see the distance was almost is okay. So now we'll go for that. The next part, it was a hole. Okay, you can see there is a hole over here. So that hole distance is from, you can see the in top view, which is given a diameter of 6. Okay, and there are 4 holes are there, and the very important part is that hole. You can see that that is a rectangle. It is not regular hole. You can see there will be shaft. So for that one, you have to use the hole command. Okay, to construct this one. So how to construct that one part over here? So first I will go to the select that object, select the sketch first, and take the one center point and mark the center point and mention that it is a dimension. So dimension was given from here to here. It is, you have to calculate. So total is 154. Okay. So what I will do over here, from the distance is given from the another end, means this end it was given in 38. So we have to see that which end it is started, means from this end. So that end the distance is was 38. Okay. Next, so this point is, you have to discuss, that is the 10 mm is given. So that distance is, another distance was, it is 10 mm. Now center point is over. Now I finish the sketch and using the hole command. Okay, you can see that automatically center will be selected. So only you have to give over here. So only they have the selection. While they give the selection, you have to see that what type of will be required, whether it is required square. Now the center is over, it is some distance you have to give over here, and then some distance. What is the total distance is 10, right? So that distance means from here to here it is 10. Next, what is the diameter? It is 6. Okay, carefully, it is 6. And what type of V bottom? It's a flat. So in the diagram, it is given as a V bottom. So you have to select the V bottom. In case the diagram is a flat, then you have to select the flat only. Okay, so it is given V bottom and press OK. So you can see that in a side view, and if you convert it into the wireframe modeling, you can see that is a V bottom. Okay, so here I will go to the initiator. Next, that will be repeated to the remaining 3. For that one, I will go to the the command which is called, it is a pattern command. And that pattern command will be help that whatever you are required, you can construct. How much your amount is required, that will be constructed. So I will go to the pattern command, and in the pattern command, the whole I special select which is repeated in future. This is the direction. So this is my first direction. the direction, the distance from this center point to this center point is 70. Okay. So number of hole is 2. So I write that is 70, but it will go in opposite direction. You can see this. So now for that one, you have to change the direction. Next, similarly direction number 2. So I'll take that same, this is my direction number 2, and the distance between from that center point to another center point once it is 44. So what direction you have to change direction and press OK. Okay, I'll save this file. Next, still the diagram is not completed, so you have to give that a proper dimension. Now the diagram is almost completed, so we'll save that file first. So this is your final diagram. See this file, and I change this material. The material which is mentioned in the introduction part, that is a cast iron. So I go to the cast iron. Okay, and the properties automatically it will come over here and apply. Close. You see this. After that, there is a one thread you can see over here. So the thread I can do it here directly using the command. It's called a tool. In a model in the thread, so I will give that it is a directly thread out. So this is my first part in bench wise, that is base. Next tutorial we are going to discuss in another part. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.